Well, that's what we got. So why'd we go and do any of this? Well, the cab wasn't even bolted down. These were all rotted off. You know how it is. But the holes are good. So this part's pretty good. I mean, there's supposed to be part of a cross member down here, but you don't need that piece. That's just what the drive shaft is hooked to. That's not important. And as you can see, the hanger bearing has been crushed. I think the previous guy drove over a rock, because this is also crushed. This is what I all cut out of this thing. Nice. Nice. More broken. Take a look here. Got new spring mounts, but didn't put new shackles in it. Those go that way. These go this way. Cross member gone. Ooh, that's cracked. I never saw that. That would have been fun. I mean, the Lamborghetto's frame back here isn't the greatest, but at least it has all its cross members, and it's not as bad. It has this I-beam that's welded pretty much the full length. It is kind of reinforced back here. We're gonna be cutting it right here, right behind this mount, right there. Like that or something. Before I cut the frame, I have to make some access holes behind the seat here, because the body mounts, the bolts are spinning inside of the housing in the actual body. So the easiest way is to just cut a hole in the top here, in this back like sill plate if you will, and then just torch from the top and the bolt fall out the bottom. You just put a new bolt and a nut and you should be good. My thinking isn't always good in the morning, but a few joints in and we should be golden. I should probably put that out, huh? Well, I hope that worked. The next step now is the steering shaft and just miscellaneous wires. Oh, and the steering, power steering pump as well, throttle cable, those battery wire things there, and oh, e-brake cable. I gotta cut that before I do anything else, so I guess I'll get back to you when we start cutting the frame. Well, the cab's off. Well, the frame's over here. I gotta grind it, make it flat, jack it up, make it flat, and then zap her together. And then we're gonna have our nice long bed, 4-wheel drive, 4-speed truck. Hail. Fucking rain, I can't see shit out of this helmet, dude. Shit. Well, it's getting pretty, well, the rain's coming down pretty good now. Welder's soaked. It's probably gonna short out and blow me up. Here's the result. Done diddly welded. Using the alternator as a block of wood because I don't have any. Well, there's one right there, but that was holding up the frame on the jack stand. But that's it. Body on tomorrow.